custard ice cream. For that we'll need custard powder, milkmaid, milk and heavy cream. So let's get started and make custard ice cream. I'm pouring the milk into a pan to boil it. I'm taking around 1 liter of the milk. You can adjust the quantity as you like as per your requirements. Now we will mix custard powder and milk. With the custard powder, one small tip is use always cold milk or cold water. Otherwise, if you use hot milk or hot water, you will be left with some lumps into the mixture and you won't be able to achieve that smooth thin consistency which we will need. Here I am mixing it well. I have to bring it to a smooth thin consistency. So I am adding the extra milk also. Once it's mixed well, we'll add it to the boiling milk. So here the milk is boiled and I'm adding the mixture to milk. Once we add it, stir continuously for a minute, otherwise there will be lumps into the custard. If you want the bright yellow color, add some kesar, and if you don't have it, don't worry, skip it. Now for the sweet, you can use the normal sugar or milkmaid. I am adding half a can of milkmaid to 1 liter of the milk. So now once it's nicely done, you keep it aside for cooling it down to room temperature. And for the next step, we need to whip our heavy cream and bring it to soft peak consistencies. Here I am using a hand whisker. If you have an electric whisker, that's great. Use that and it will be very fast. So the goal is to bring it to soft peak consistencies. So see, now it's ready and our custard is also cooled down to room temperature. Now we have to combine both these things. Do it gently so that the air which we have incorporated during the whisking step doesn't get out. It makes the ice cream fluffier. Here I am mixing both of them and you can see the texture, turning it into a fluffy liquid base for the ice cream. Now we have to I'm adding some cashews. This is also optional. If you want, you can skip it. Now put it into a freezer safe. Here I am mixing it after 2 hours of freezing. Then you leave it for 6-7 hours and freeze it completely. This is the final product. Final ice cream will look like. You can see how nice scoopable texture it has.